It's a special time. It's a special time.
Is it on?
Okay, yes.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evelyn. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you got one of them? Got two. You did it. Oh,
Yay. Do you guys tell us a little something about yourself? What's happening today, Evelyn? Evelyn, what's happening?
Today?
What is today?
Evelyn. What is today?
Forget that, I just want cake.
Evelyn, he'll come back.
I'm going to cut you a slice while you answer questions.
It's coming. What's today?
What is today?
What do you think about the current economic situation?
How old are you?
3. Hold your fingers up.
Abigail held up 3 fingers.
Abigail knows. Are you 4?
Cake.
Are you 1? Are you 2? Are you 3?